So, if you are a young screenwriter outside of Los Angeles and you're thinking about moving, what should you do before you move? The first thing is start writing regularly right now and start your journey of learning about how to write screenplays professionally. If you look through my account, you can hear me talk about two things in particular: Craig Mazin's 1 hour lecture, How to Write a Movie, which you can find on YouTube. And the second one is Screenwriting 101 by Angus Fletcher. Those are two great resources that will get you thinking like a screenwriter before you go to LA. And you also need to be writing a lot. You want to get in the habit of writing every day. It doesn't have to be a screenplay. In fact, I recommend if you mix together screenwriting and then smaller prose items like short stories and essays and that type of thing. You just want to get in the habit of writing something every day. You want to build that habit of just sitting down and creating that routine of writing every day so that when you do move to LA, you're not starting from zero, you're transplanting an existing habit. And just start writing screenplays, short screenplays, come up with an idea and tackle it in a weekend. Think about planning bigger projects. I don't recommend brute forcing through your first screenplay, although it is kind of a necessary rite of passage, just so you can figure out what process works best for you. But think of it like this: you've got to prime the pump before you can start the lawnmower. So, what does that mean? You need to be reading other screenplays, you need to be reading novels, you need to be reading. Writing is infinitely easier when you are a regular reader. You also need to pick one screenplay that is widely regarded as a masterpiece and read it over and over and over again. And watch the movie and read it and watch the movie. And the mechanics of the movie will start to come apart and you'll be able to see how the inner operations of the story work. And then you just need to start writing. Write a screenplay in 3 to 6 months, then rinse, repeat. Let's talk about why you want to move to LA to become a screenwriter, okay? First of all, it's where all the development happens. It's where all the employers are. It's where the vast majority of the, TV writers' rooms are. So those are all big reasons. But it takes time to get there, right? And on your way, you are going to have a day job to pay the bills. And if you're in LA, that day job can be working inside the industry, in the mailroom somewhere for one of the agencies or for a producer or something like that, where you learn other aspects of the business and can get viable intel on what scripts are selling. And if you're not in LA, that job ends up becoming waiting tables or something.